Welcome to 232nd meeting of Dunes Toastmaster Club, club number 919010, Division J, District 20, and area 57. A brief history of Toastmasters for the benefit of guests. Ralph Spentley founded this club in the United States in 1924. Today, it has grown to 13,500 countries, so 13,500 clubs and around 300,000 members across the globe. The mission of Toastmaster Club is to provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting a greater self-confidence and personal growth. In Toastmasters Club, we have some ground rules. First thing is, please don't distract the speaker by talking to each other or moving around. In case you have to go out or in from the room, please wait until the speaker finishes his speech. Second is, please keep your mobile phones in silent or switch off mode. Third one is, please avoid 3 taboo topics in this subject, in this meeting. Sex, religion, and politics are prohibited discussing in this meeting. Safety is most important. At the time of emergency, the exit door is just behind you, which takes you to the safe landing area outside. The rest area, restrooms for ladies is allocated at the end of this corridor, and for gents is outside the corridor. To begin the meeting, let us welcome our vibrant president of the club, Toastmaster Dilip Kumar.